Hello everyone, and thanks for watching this video in advance. And today I'm going to talk about two very important tools which technology has given us, which Google Form and Google Sites, and how they're very helpful. But before that, I want to talk about the role of computer in research, how computer has revolutionized research. There are a lot of things which computer helps, which were not present earlier. Like if we come to the features, so computers are accurate, they calculate huge amount of data with complete accuracy, and you cannot challenge its accuracy. There's no point needed to check. Even if you want to check this, you can check it through computer only. Computers don't get tired anytime in day or night you want. You can use it for your purposes. Computers have are very fast, very large amount of data. They can do it in a fraction of seconds and fraction of minutes. So that is also there, and they have a ability to compile a large amount of data. A lot of space is there, so they can compile a large amount of data. So at every stage of research, whether it's audio data collection, you can store the data, you can use Google Forms to use collect the data. Then data analysis, we have a lot of software, even statistical calculation, you can use it in minutes through the help of Excel and PSPP. And a lot of other things are there, like for data analysis, you have softwares. For presenting the data, you present in Excel and you present in Word. So computer has revolutionized research really, and given a lot of tool, and so it must be used in research. You cannot escape from it, but it will become your life difficult, and it will become your life easier if you start using computer for research. So today I will talk about two very important tools, very simple tools, very widely used, uh, which has helped research, which has helped every aspect, not only of research but of daily life also, that are Google Forms and Google Site. So let me go through these one by one. Google Form. First, Google Form. Google Form is like a I think it is so widely used everywhere. It has so wide application. It's so simple to use. It's so simple to create. It's simple to fill. It's simple to analyze the data. It's simple to record the data. It's simple to see what are the responses. It's simple to design questions on it. So it has become a widely used tool, and very, I think, zero cost tool that has helped a lot of people in not only in research but in corporate works, party invites, school events, everywhere, and to perform quizzes everywhere. Google Form is used. So it is a tool that allows collecting information from users via personalized survey or quiz. The information is then collected and automatically connected to a spreadsheet. So where it is used? It is used in collecting survey, collecting feedback about any product, any event, any service. You can use it. You can use it for assessment and evaluation. You can use it for program proposal. You can use it for RSVP invitations. You can use for registering people to some particular thing. You can use it for reserving some particular things. And widely, very widely, it is used as a quiz also. So how do we create it? Very simple to create. You just need to go to a Google account. You need to go to Google Drive. You need to select on new. After new, go to more and then go to Google Forms. And either you create a blank or you create a from a template. So blank, you have to design it yourself with your creativity. And template, it can match to the option, whichever option you want. So there are various templates available. If the templates are not available, you can create it. So after, see, this is a blank form. After you have created the form, name the form, untitled form. You can name it invitation for a particular picnic, registration for a program, collecting survey about some particular soap, quiz one for the last lecture which is given. So anything you name it, to name it accordingly, and see. There are, this is the, and you see, I am, see how, okay. So after you name your form, you can add questions. Say it is given untitled question. If I can increase the, one second, I can enhance it. See, untitled question, you can see here. So you can create a question, and after creating a question, you will write whatever question, what is the full form of something. So you can either you can create it, make it multiple choice, or you can keep it just one choice only, single choice only. So there are many options here. And you can make also select whether it requires a response or you can skip the question also. So it is also given here about the Google form, that how you create the Google form. See how many things you can add here. You can add questions with, by selecting on the plus sign. Again, let me enhance the image. Hmm. By selecting the plus sign on the sidebar, you can add a question. You can add header to make it look better and professional through this sign. You can add images. If you go there, you can add a video. The option is there. And you can use a new section. If you want to break into sections, you can add a new section. So in the first section, you are adding five questions. And if you want to change the subject, change the topic, you can add a new section. So first add a question, that is very important. You add a question, then you can add a header also. You can add images if required. You can add videos, and you can add a news section also. See, there are a lot of, see now again what I was talking earlier. There are a lot of options for uh, questions. Lot of options for questions. You can have short or long question where people are writing the text, a text answer, so they will write it in their words. You can use multiple choice question. You can give create option, checkbox, dropbox. Checkbox, dropbox, you can give 4 or 5 options. They have to just put the drop down and they can select the right option. You can ask to upload a file, upload the work which someone has done, upload the assignment. Like a scale is there on the rating. You can put a grade, date, time, everything can be mentioned. See, setting. If you wanted to limit to one response or limit to multiple email ID, you can put create ID, and then you can require silently limit to one response. Respondents can edit after submission, set summaries and text responses they can get if they want. Then while you are sending the form, you can you can collect email addresses of all the people who have filled the form, so you can get information that which person has filled the form or which person has not filled the form, so that response space will automatically come to your mailbox also. And these are the aesthetic things. You can select the palette tool, you can choose a theme or upload your own photos to present it in a better manner to look it more creative. See, after you have selected option, you can see individual or summary of responses, total responses, how many. You can create a spreadsheet also. In the spreadsheet, it will be given like, see, spreadsheet will come like this. See, time is given, file name, the name of the person, the email ID, the responses. So that this can also be downloaded. So this is the way you can create a Google form. You let me define it again once you can explain it. You create a form from scratch. You have given it a name. You have added the questions. You can limit. Then you have added header, text, images, video. You are using new section page. Then you are creating short, long answer. So multiple choice questions, checkbox, drop question, any type of questions you can add in it, and you can then limit the number of responses that one person can limit it to only one time with one email ID. Then email or get a link, you will definitely you will get it in a mailbox, the responses, and then you can download the spreadsheet also. So this is all about Google Form. Now we will talk about Google Site. So what is Google Site? Google Site is a free drag and drop website builder, because on website, if you want to create a website, you need money for creating it. You need rent, hosting services require some amount of money. But Google Site is a democratic, I can say, democratic tool where you can enable anyone to create their own website and get it online, and it will look like a proper Google website where you can present it, it depends on you how you design it. It depends on how you have made it professional. So whether it will look professional or not, whether it will look good or not, or whether it will look creative or not, it all depends on your designing. And the designing Google also helps. So what do you need? You need to have a Google account, that is a Gmail account, which we generally have. email address is needed, a user name is needed, and a password is needed. Okay. So if you have all the things, have I repeated it? Okay, I repeated it. Okay. So log in into your Google account, your Gmail account, or if you don't have the account, you create a Google account. Then uh, uh, go to the option of create site. You will go get it in the settings section, and you click on create site button and you start creating your site. So there are many templates. You need to name your site. You need to name. There will one automatic URL address also will come. You can choose a theme and you can put this captcha, and then you create your site. See, the name is a title, whichever title you want to give to your website. URL is a web address, definitely a link. Google will automatically enter a concatenate version of the name and URL it will give you, but you can definitely edit it. You have repeated these things, okay. So now you will go to the theme. So there are a lot of themes given by Google. It's not only this is not only limited to what I have shown in the slide. So there are a lot of themes with good artistic qualities that are given by Google. So you can click on choose a theme and browse to the color scheme you like and click on a theme to select it. So give a site description. What is this site about? Sharing preference everywhere in the world, or which you or if you want to specify which people you want to share it with. Then you type in the code and you create site and it is created. After it is created, you need to edit all pages because it will look like this. Okay. It will look something like this. The Google website will look like this. So you have to enter a title. You have to enter a description on it. So you have to give a particular description what this website is about, and you can add pictures also. Like every website home pages have pictures, so you can add pictures also here in this Google site. Okay. Okay. Okay, if you want to hyper link or you want to text, you add to wish a link, um, and click on the link text in the editing window and click on web address if the link is to another website and insert the web. Click on existing page, the link is the page of your own site. So you can add links here so that people can click here and go to that particular page. So position your cursor on any where you want to put the picture. Click on insert. See, click on insert drop down menu. It will automatically, then you will select image and then you will browse on your desktop or wherever you have placed the images and you find the picture and click OK and that picture will appear there. But after the picture will appear, picture will come in full size. So you have to reduce the size, you have to edit, you have to adjust that you can easily do it. General formatting. So this is a format bar. Insert option I have already shown. You can uh, insert a picture or text or link, anything. A format. Format bar allows to perform basic editing and formatting of the text, bold, edit, italic, size and font, list and alignment. So everything you can do through this general formatting tab. And again, there is a layout option, one column, two column, whichever way you want to select it, it is there. And then there is a table column also. Spatial formatting allowed you to put heading, first level heading, second level heading, code, black code, alignment. So this is all spatial formatting features which are there. After selecting the number of views that you can use the table menu to select a table or create table. So you can insert table and once you have inserted table, you have given the specification, one row, four columns or one column, four rows. Then you insert a row above. So you can keep on editing that table. Also, you can add rows to it. You can add column to it. And also you can delete it whenever you want. See, there's an option for create page mm, in this website. So, like you have a home page, you want to select a new page. So you create a page, name that page. So the website have different pages, and all the pages list will appear in one side so that people can go and see that pages. Enter a name for the page, and put a hierarchical position whether where it should be placed, and then you click on create page. So this is yeah, so this, and then you can edit the pages, you can edit sub pages, you can create sub pages also in this. So this is how you create the Google site. So Google Sites and Google Drive, Google Site and Google Forms are very important tools which are widely used, and I hope you have understood. And more it can happen when you practice it, and you will understand it better. Okay, thank you so much.